Hey everybody, it's Tom. It is Friday afternoon. Just checking my oats and stuff out. My forage oats is it's not all headed yet. It's getting close though. Most of it has, but pretty good stuff. I don't know, it's three feet tall, I suppose, give or take. And nice and thick, a lot of nice leaves on it. And I know the sun is a bitch today. So anyway, for the first time since I can remember, this is week 4 of haying. And yeah, we never turned a wheel with the cutter. I did get some oats baled, or some alfalfa. But yeah, this stuff looks, man, it's beautiful. We have gotten an inch 70 this week for rain. It came in 3 different showers. So that's, I think we got 40 last night, 45 the night before, and 70. One night, I don't even know when it was anymore. But these are Devin's tracks. You can see when he was spraying, it's muddy. But yeah, it looks good. Just I'm not gonna give you obviously a video of anything else, so I thought I'd shoot some of this. I know the sun's a bugger, but anyway, yeah, our first cutting of alfalfa, 250 acres. We got, oh, let me see, 548, or we got 550 bales. I would say they weigh around 16. Sad thing about that is only about 100 and, maybe 200 of them are worth of shit. The rest are just spiller, but that's all right too. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great weekend. Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna start cutting grass. So I hope to have a grass cutting video tomorrow, and we're not supposed to get rain until Thursday. So yeah, I hope we can hammer. Everybody take care and have a great day.